Well, hello everyone, it's Kari. Today I'm excited to be on the channel. I'm going to share one of my favorite cards that I've created recently using some products from Whimsy Stamps. I'm going to be bringing in this die set, which is the Ropes and Barbs die set. It's got some really cute cactus in it and a lasso and some barbed wire. I also have this Rustic Mountain 6x6 paper, and look at all the gorgeous views from this paper. I love it. And yeah, so you can use this for your background if you want to. I also have the Howdy word die, and we'll be using that today, and then the Range Riders die. So I used a lot of it on this card here, the Range Riders die, and I also used a sentiment from this stamp set right here that says, "Don't let anyone ruffle your feathers." I thought this was a cute design with that arched window die. So I'm going to use that same idea with the arched window die, but this time I'm going to ink on a sunset in the background. So I've cut out the arched window die out of some white cardstock, and I'm using the inside pieces to ink on some yellow and pink. And I've also cut the arched window die out of some craft cardstock, some Neenah Desert Storm cardstock, and that's going to act as our window frame there. And I'm a little bit out of frame here, but I'll pull this up in just a minute. I just wanted you to see that I inked on those colors, and that created our background sunset. So just a little bit of mustard seed and then some picked raspberry. That's all that it takes. But I did add some extra just to give it more depth and dramatic flair. And now look at that. That's going to be our beautiful background. And I just let it kind of fade out to white. Then I've got these little mountain hills from the Ropes and Barbs die, and I die cut those out of that same Neenah Desert Storm cardstock. But I'm going to ink on a little bit of brown to give them a little more interest. Then I've got the cacti that I've cut out with some dark green cardstock. And I'm just building the background scene to try to see what looks good and what I want to use here. Just put a few of those there, and then I'm going to use this lasso. I love this lasso. I think it looks really cool with the sentiment inside. So I've cut out the Howdy die with some yellow and white, and I'm just auditioning what I want to use, what's going to look the best. And I think I might like the white shadow and the yellow word itself. But I want to give it a little more darkness or depth. So I'm going to take a little more ink with some Wild Honey Distress Oxide and just ink that on the bottom portion of the die cut word. We're going to have like an ombre look here with this sentiment. And that looks really fun, and it really makes it pop a little bit more. I've cut 3 extra words out of white cardstock. I'm going to pop them up. I think I'm just going to use 2 of them maybe. I'm not sure. We'll take a look here. And I'm going to add the yellow one right to the top. And then I'll add all of that to the white background. So this is really going to make it pop off that background there. We'll just glue that on very carefully to that background, and that's going to be our sentiment for this card. Really fun. Look at that. So I'm going to save the other yellow background for a different card. And I'm actually going to get this card all put together now. So I'm going to glue that frame. Well, actually, I think the frame needs a little bit of color. We're going to give it a sky look, bringing in some Peacock Feathers Distress ink, and we'll just ink that up just a little bit. That'll kind of take away that stark white, give it more of a wild open sky look. I like that. It's nice and light but effective. So I'm going to go ahead and glue the frame to our card panel, and this is a card base that's 110 pounds, so it's nice a nice weight. Once I get that glued on, I'll start gluing on the window frame. So just a little bit of glue behind there, and we'll place that right inside, just like this. Everything's going to fit nicely, and so it's all going to be one level, the background portion, so it all fits right nicely inside. Now we'll go ahead and put on the sunset background. I love the drama of this. I am using my ergonomic bone folder to just put those in a little bit more smooth. Before I put this one in though, I want to glue on those mountain scenes, just like this, and then I can trim off the excess. So it's going to fit just behind like that. I'll add a little bit of brown ink around the edges so that you're not just seeing white. It looks more like the mountain. Then I can glue that on. And I'll do the same for the next panel, just adding a little bit of a mountain to that one. And I like to glue these on first, that way I can just trim the excess and it looks like the mountains are just going right behind the window frame. Makes it fit nicely. Again, I'll add a little bit of brown ink around the bottom. That's just a nice finishing detail. And then I'll glue that one in as well. And press that down with my bone folder. So we've got this ready to go. Now it's time to add the cactus on there. I'm going to peel up this mountain just a little bit to add the cactus right behind. That's going to fit just like that. And we'll build up our scene just so. I love all the details in this set, and being from Arizona myself, this really makes me feel a little at home. I can look out at the desert sunset, and it's just so calming, kind of like this card. Once we have those placed, I will go ahead and add the lasso. And we're just going to make sure that it's in the right spot here. I think it'll be over to the right just a little bit. And then I'm going to add some barbed wire. Now I cut this one out of yellow. You can see the panel to the right top of my screen where I cut that out, which I'm also going to turn into a card. But it didn't feel right on this card. So I cut it out instead with some silver metallic cardstock. And I like that so much better. So we're going to do that. And also, before I glue down the lasso, I'm building it up with two other lassos behind it, just cut out of white cardstock. I wanted to have more dimension to that lasso to kind of match our Howdy sentiment. So I'll place those all together, glue the brown one to the top, and get that just so, and now we can start gluing everything down. So I glued that lasso down. I'm going to hold it down with an acrylic block while I glue on the Howdy sentiment. That's going to go just like that. And then we'll glue the barbed wire all around the edge. And I purposely am putting this on the kind of on a tilt, not fully straight on, and I will have to trim a little bit off the edge there. But I do like the way that that little tilt is, so I'll trim off the excess around the edges. There we go. That is perfect, just like that. So take a look at my little Western theme sunset desert card. And now I'm going to turn this yellow panel into a card as well. I have it all ready to go, so might as well make it into a card. And I love the idea of having the cactus inside the lasso this time and using one of those silhouette dies from the Range Riders die set as the focal point. So I'm going to use a gray background this time because I want the barbed wire to appear gray behind it. But before we glue everything down, I'm going to add a little more yellow to this background panel to give it an ombre look and also a little more drama. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that mustard seed color up a little more than halfway, and that's going to give me the drama that I'm looking for. So now it's just a matter of gluing down all my elements, and I'm going to go ahead and do most of that off screen because you can see that it's just one adding all the elements in the locations that you want them. But I am going to show you real quick that some of these cactus dies were a little longer than I wanted them to in order to fit into the lasso. So I'm actually going to glue them into the lasso first, and then I'm going to cut off the excess just below that so it appears like they're all going to fit perfectly. Just a little quick trick there. So see, just going to cut that off, and I'm going to keep adding a few of those inside the lasso and glue all of that down. I'm also going to add just a few more elements inside the lasso using my tweezers for the smallest cactus there. Then I'll glue down our silhouette. And I've cut out the Howdy die with some darker black cardstock. I felt like the yellow one that I had cut before was just getting lost on this. So I'm going to add that with some pop dots. Just pop it up right to the top there, and there is our second card. To finish it off, I will add a few little embellishments. These are some black half pearls, and I'm just going to add them around here and there. I usually add them in odd numbers and create kind of a triangle with them if I can. So that's the way I'm going to add them to this card today. And there it is. I will add a white panel to the inside of the card base so I have a nice place to write my sentiment. And there's our first card that we created together, and the one with the background paper. I love how these are all turning out. So many things you can do to mix and match with these products. I also wanted to show you that I used this die to cut out that sentiment on the first card, and I really did enjoy making these. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up. It really does help us out with our channel. You could also leave a comment. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I'll be back soon to share some more card inspiration. Until then, happy crafting. Bye-bye.